We would now learn how to work with customized shapes. Shapes and symbols make it easy for the visualizer to create a compelling story which is understood by the reader. We may want to download some of the symbols basis our requirement. Access the website, iconfinder.com. Type in something like car. Apply a filter free, so as to get only free icons. In the folder Imurgence, we have created, within Tableau data folder, a folder called Custom Images. Create a copy, go on to Documents. There is the My Tableau repository. Go into Shapes. Paste the Custom Images folder over here. By default, other shapes are also there. Now create a new sheet called as Custom Shapes. Drag dates to columns. Select it as months. Drag sales on rows. Drag it once more as we would be doing it for comparisons. You can do it this way also. Click all in the marks and drag product type over to colors. For the second sales, click on the marks and select shapes. Add product type onto shapes. You will see the shapes added as legends. Let's change the shape. Click on Shapes. In the Defaults drop-down, we may not find the custom ones as we have just added them. So click on Reload Shapes. Now the custom shapes are visible here. So select the corresponding shapes as per relevance. Say Apply and OK. Since it looks a bit small, let's click on Size and change the same as per requirement. Now we can see that the lower chart makes more sense. This is how you can use shapes.